Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your JCPenney credit card. You can cancel your JCPenney credit card by calling their customer service hotline, so here is how you can easily find it. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Soon after you open it up, go to the URL box and type in jcpenny.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for JCPenney. From the main homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on the Contact Us button under Customer Service. From the Customer Service, scroll down and get to the Contact Us tab. You will be able to find a hotline number displayed on the screen. Make sure to make a phone call on this particular number at the bottom and follow the prompts to connect with a customer service representative. Inform the representative that you want to cancel your JCPenney credit card account and follow through the instructions. Be sure to redeem any rewards point before closing the account, as they might not be available after cancellation. Remember to update any recurring payments linked to your JCPenney credit card with a new payment method. So that's how you can easily cancel or initiate cancellation for JCPenney credit card in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.